If you haven't recovered from the fact that Grok AI is no longer free and you need to pay a certain amount of money before you can use it, then you might need to stay and watch this video, because this tool I'm about to introduce to you, it's not just the fact that you don't even have to go through those rigorous stress of scripting, creating your images, then going towards animating them. Now that process is one process you are going to skip. You have to skip that process because this tool does not require that. You have to stay to the end of this video and watch this, because it is a game changer. It is a game changer, and with this tool, you will be able to create even as long as 8 minutes video. Isn't that amazing? It beats the record. You don't have to script, you don't have to edit. It creates this as long as 8 minutes video for you. And stay with me, let's dive right into it.
So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Chrome and type Notebook LM. Allow him to load and choose the Try Notebook LM. Good. Let it load like this, then come to this interface. Now you are required to choose source if you are going to upload your document or you are going to use the web version. That web version involves going to an article that is already existing. You look through the article. If it's something you think cover the entire topic you like to work on, then copy it. Then just like this, you see this I'm trying to write I want to create a video around how to grow on social media. So I looked through and I saw the one that gives the message I would like to pass, and I copied the link. Now I'm going to take it back to my notebook LM. Here I'm trying to change to desktop version because I want it to be a little bit more accessible. Then I'll click that add source. I'll allow it to load. When I click it, it gives me an opportunity to drop my link, that link I copied earlier. Good. Then I'll let it load. You see that arrow, click the blue arrow and let it load completely, so that it makes your work extremely easy. No scripting, no image generations, those kind of thing. You know how tasking it can be. Good. Here as it is already loaded, and I'm going to choose this video option. Good, like that. Now you see there are various options. You have whiteboard animation. However you want your video to be to come out, you just look through and select. You can either choose your language, your preferred language. This is crazy. Honestly, you can choose your preferred language and make it English or any other one. Good. You can either choose explainer or brief. The reason I choose explainer is because I want the video to be very long. If you want brief, maybe it's a short or something, then you can use brief. Then like I said, you can choose between all the slides, go through them and make your choice. However, because this is how your video is going to be structured, this will determine the output of your video. It's more like it's the game changer, is what differentiates your video at the end of the day. So all those things you are keying into, it keeps your video very different from your neighbors. Now you see the option I'm going with. Good. You can either prompt it further by adding a little more detail here, or you just choose the whatever is already there. For me, I choose what I already have here. Then I will hit the generate button. Great. See, that's it. It's that simple and that effective. Now I'm going to wait for it to load and take my time and just chill, because this is the magic. And download it to my gallery. Good. After loading, I'll download it to my gallery. Yes. Did you see that it is over 8 minutes, 7 minutes long?
Thank you, and I hope I'll see you. Make sure to subscribe if you found this helpful, and like the video.